welcome back to my channel. So today it's all a video about how to make a thumbnail in Canva. So many videos ago I made how to make a video in Canva. So now I'm going to make how to make a means like a thumbnail in Canva. So it's very easy to do and you don't have to pay for anything. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first you have these design anything option and you have for you presentations, social media, video, print products, marketing, office and more. But now we are going to need presentations. We're not going to present it, but when we download it, it will be easier for us. So yeah guys, let's do the presentation. So it's just the presentation. So let's go with 1920 into 1080 pixels. So let's get into it. Should always get into this so that we get the perfect thumbnail. So we have these kind of templates, but some of these are getting paid, and some of these are not getting paid. So now I want this template. So I'm going to this and I'm doing this. So you have a nice picture of the plant. So I'm going to type be kind whenever possible. So you can think it's my thumbnail, and now I got to do something creative after we upload the template. So we have this picture, but if you don't want this picture, you can definitely delete it. But I want this picture, so I'm keeping it. And if you don't want this, you can also click that and delete it, but we want it. So after we do everything like this, we're gonna click in it and do any changes you want to. So if you want to change the color, you can definitely change. Yeah, this color is a bit nice. And also this color is nice. Then if you want to do any animations, you can definitely do like this. Rice is nice, so I'm doing this. And if you want to change the font size or the the font of it, now I want apricots, so this is nice. So yeah guys, so this is nice now. So we don't want to click this option as present, we just wanted to download. But before that, you may wonder, as I said before, if you don't want this, you can definitely delete it. So I'm now going to delete you and show you how to add some elements. I just deleted it, and now we're going to elements option, which is right here, and put a background or anything whichever is free. So when you touch on it, it will be showing as free, and when you touch on something else, if it shows paid, then you cannot use it. So I need this, and it's free, so no probs. And if you want this leaf to be back of the text, you can also do this position and in the backward. Then now you need to change the text. So yeah guys. Okay guys, so we have just did the thing, and now we're going to need a photo. So here we have some photos. You can definitely type what you want to. If you want like productivity, Then if you type it, we'll definitely get all of these. But some of these are pro, as I said. So you just have to get it from the photos. So I want it to be productive, so I'm choosing this background or something, this photo. So this is the perfect photo. And yeah, guys, this is perfect. And also you may wonder that if you want to change the background, totally different background, what will you do if you have this pen template? So you just have to click in the background, delete all these things which were given, delete and delete. So we are just going to click on it, and we have these kind of things, but we are going to change the background. You can also do it from different colors like pink, gray, light pink, etc. So I will be doing it a bit nice color. How about gray? Gray was nice. So yeah, guys. And if you want any other background, you can definitely choose. I love this. So yeah, guys, this is how you make a good template. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.